Exercise 2.1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. Here we have to just remember the definition of a polynomial. In a polynomial, exponent should be a whole number. It cannot be negative or it cannot be a fraction. First question, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Solution. The given expression can be written as 4x square minus 3x plus 7 into x raised to the power 0. You know the value of x raised to the power 0 is 1. Since x is the only one variable in the given expression and the powers of x, that is 2, 1 and 0, powers of x 2, 1 and 0 are whole numbers, we can say that the expression 4x square minus 3x plus 7 is a polynomial in one variable. Second part, y square plus square root of 2. The given expression can be written as y squared plus square root of 2 into y raised to the power of 0. It is a constant, and so I write it as root 2 into y raised to the power of 0. Since y is the only one variable in the given expression and the powers of y, that is 2 and 0, are whole numbers, we can say that the expression y squared plus root 2 is a polynomial in one variable. Third part, 3 root t plus t root 2. 3 into square root of t plus t into square root of 2. Solution. The given expression can be written as 3 into t raised to the power of 1 by 2. Square root of t means t raised to the power of 1 by 2 plus root 2 into t raised to the power of 1. Though t is the only one variable in the given expression, the power of t of the first term is 1 by 2. Is not a whole number. Hence, we can say that the expression 3 root t plus t root 2 is not a polynomial in one variable. Here the power of t is 1 by 2, which is a fraction. In a polynomial, the power should not be negative or a fraction. Here it is 1 by 2, it is a fraction, so it is not a polynomial. Fourth part, y plus 2 upon y. Solution. The expression y plus 2 upon y can be written as y plus 2 into y raised to the power of minus 1. Here it is 2 into 1 by y. So 1 by y can be written as y raised to the power of minus 1. Though y is the only one variable in the given expression, the power of y in the second term is minus 1, which is not a whole number. Therefore, the expression y plus 2 upon y is not a polynomial in one variable. Fifth part, x raised to the power of 10 plus y cube plus t raised to the power of 50. Though the powers of the terms 10, 3 and 50 are whole numbers, the power of the first term 10, exponent of the second term is 3 and the exponent of the third term is 50. They are all whole numbers. There are 3 variables used in the given expression. There are 3 variables, x, y and t. Therefore, x raised to the power of 10 plus y raised to the power of 3 plus t raised to the power of 50 is not a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial, but it is not a polynomial in one variable. In fact, it is a polynomial in 3 variables. Now move on to the next question. Question number 2. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. You have to write the number which is multiplied with the variable. Variable is multiplied by which number, that is known as the coefficient. First one, 2 plus x square plus x. The given expression can be written as 2 plus 1 into x square plus x. Since I have to find the coefficient of x square, I am writing this as 1 into x square. Since the coefficient is the number by which the variable is multiplied, and here x square is multiplied by 1, the coefficient of x square in the given polynomial is 1. By which number x square is multiplied? 1 into x square. Since it is multiplied by 1, in the expression we may not write that, but 1 is the coefficient of x square in the first question. And in this question also you have to find the coefficient of x square. 2 minus x square plus x cube. The given polynomial can be written as 2 plus minus 1 into x square plus x cube. Here minus x squared I have written as plus minus 1 into x square. Since the coefficient is the number along with the sign which multiplies the variable, and here x square is multiplied by minus 1. The coefficient of x squared in the given polynomial is minus 1. 2 minus x squared plus x cube is written as 2 plus minus 1 into x square. So x square is multiplied by minus 1, so the coefficient of x square is minus 1. Part 3 of the same question. Pi by 2 x square plus x. Find the coefficient of x square in this particular polynomial. That is pi by 2. Pi by 2 into x square. So pi by 2 is the coefficient of x square in the polynomial pi by 2 x square plus x. The given polynomial can be written as pi by 2 into x square plus x. We know that the coefficient is the number by which the variable is multiplied. The variable is x square is multiplied by pi by 2. Here the variable is x square and it is multiplied by pi by 2. Therefore, the coefficient of x square in the given polynomial is pi by 2. Pi by 2 multiplied by x square. So coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Find the coefficient of x square in root 2x minus 1. There is no x squared at all. So what will we do? The given polynomial can be written as 0 multiplied by x square plus square root of 2 into x minus 1. And here x square is multiplied by 0. Therefore, the coefficient of x square in this particular polynomial is 0. We know that the coefficient is the number by which the variable is multiplied. Here the variable x square is multiplied by 0. So the coefficient of x square in the given polynomial is 0.